Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is photostability. Stability क्या होता है? Stability is officially defined as time period in which drug products retain same properties and characterize that is passes it at time of manufacturing. The stability of drug products always expressed in terms of shelf life, need of stability testings. The product instability may lead to under medication active drug concentration in doses from drug decomposition lead to formation of toxic products. Instability lead to charge in physical appearance. Another point. Pharmaceutical products photosensitivity classification system is useful for studying products photosensitivity during manufacturing, packaging, shelf storage, and testing. The classes 2 and class 3 products are those that photodegrade drugs. Class 2 क्या होता है? It products are fully protected from photo driving change when placed into appropriately protecting immediate package. Class 3 affected by light event when housed in immediate package. Photostability testing. The intrinsic photostability character of a new drug, substance and product should be evaluated to demonstrate that appropriate light exposure does not release an unacceptable change. The guideline which are given addresses primary generation of photostability information for submission in registration application for a new molecule enter into the drug product. Photostability include testing of drug substance, testing on exposed drug product outside of the immediate pack, test of drug product in marketing packs. Another point, light source. Light source is an important part in photostability. Light source used for photostability testing. Artificial daylight tube. Visible output provided stimulation of natural daylight. Second, provided stimulation of UV light. Means daylight UV light is important for artificial daylight tube. Another fluorescence tube they suited because they provided illumination over wider area, also have low cost. Second point, xenon lamp is another point of light source. Xenon lamp provided closest stimulation of sunlight of artificial sources. Third point, tungsten mercury lamp. The provided high level of visible light with a small or very small UV component depending specification. Second, the provided low light condition to determine sensory of photon degradation of products. Natural light. Distribution and intensity varies with time of day, weather condition and atmospheric condition with time of year. Fifth point, other sources. A cool with fluorescence lamp design on output similar to that specified in ISO. UV fluorescence lamp having spectral distribution from 320 nanometer to 400 nanometer. NM means nanometer. With maximum energy emulsion between 350 nanometer to 370 nanometer. Defining test condition. The defined test condition during photostability testing is necessary to measure both visible light and UV content. Since many drugs absorb little or no visible light but absorb UV range present in natural light. Another point in photostability is a presentation of samples. Physical characters of samples under test are taken into account an effect such as cooling and placing a sample in sealed container. Second point, change in physical state such as sublimation, evaporation or melting are minimized. Another point, solid doses or drug substance that should place exposed chemically in a transparent container. Liquid drug substance they should place exposed in chemically inert and a transparent container. For example, for tablet capsule should be spread in single layer. मीन्स क्या होता है, टैबलेट्स कैप्सूल जब स्प्रेड करते वो उसका सिंगल लेयर फॉर्म होता है. Another point, analysis of samples. At end on exposure period, the sample should be examined for any change in physical properties like appearance, clarity, color of solution. The analysis of exposed samples should be performed contaminantly with protected sample is used as dark control of the user test. Judgment of result. Suitable test method developed which are capable resolving and detecting a photolytic degradation. Conformistry studies to identify precautionary measure needed of manufacturing. फैक्टर क्या होता है फोटोस्टेबिलिटी का? फर्स्ट फैक्टर पार्टिकल साइज, सेकंड ड्रग कंटेंट, थर्ड टैबलेट ज्योमेट्री, 4 पॉइंट प्रिपरेशन मेथड, 5th concentration, 6 pH and ionization, 7th ionic strength, 8 oxidation. First factor of photostability. First factor is a particle size. पार्टिकल साइज क्या होता है? जब पार्टिकल साइज डिक्रीज होता है द रेट ऑफ डिग्रेडेशन इंक्रीजेस बिकॉज इंक्रीज द सरफेस एरिया एक्सपोज टू लाइट. सेकंड फैक्टर ड्रग कंटेंट, इंक्रीज द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन रेट ऑफ डिकम्पोजिशन ऑल्सो डिक्रीजेस. मीन्स क्या, जब ड्रग कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इंक्रीज होता है तब रेट ऑफ डिकम्पोजिशन ऑल्सो डिक्रीजेस. थर्ड फैक्टर टैबलेट ज्योमेट्री. The diameter and size tablet depend on drug content. Diameter increases, photostability also increases. जब diameter increase होता है तब photostability भी increase होती है. Fourth, preparation method. Tablet can be prepared by granulation to decrease the photostability of tablet. Fifth, concentration. Decomposition of drug inversely proportional to drug concentration. कभी भी drug decomposition inversely proportional to drug concentration means drug decomposition of drug inversely proportional to 1 upon drug concentration. 6. pH and ionization. Some drug under degradation at low pH, it under degradation at high pH. Ionic strength directly proportional to photostability. 8. Oxidation, decrease the oxygen concentration to increase the stability. Example of photostability studies. Cyanocobalamin वो क्या करता है? The protonated form is more prone to photostability. Fumagillin degrade even in red so stored in 60 degrees Celsius. Furosemide photostability under is 1 and 2 form is responded.